Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Coach, and I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems, and I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about perfection slowing you down resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 a month. Email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions that you have and send you all the details. Today, I want to ask if it could be possible that your perfectionism could be slowing you down. Did you know that the thing that helped you succeed may now be holding you back? If you're an accountant or high-stress professional, there's a good chance that paying attention to details has served you well throughout your career. It's probably one of the reasons that you've been so successful. You care about doing things right. You take pride in your work. You want to provide value. Those are great qualities, but sometimes those strengths can get taken a little bit too far. What starts as striving for excellence can easily turn into perfectionism, and perfectionism comes with a cost. It causes us to spend too much time on things that don't require perfection. It makes decisions harder than they need to be. It creates unnecessary pressure. And sometimes it prevents us from taking action altogether. I've seen professionals spend weeks trying to make the perfect decision. They worry about the perfect plan, the perfect goal, the perfect timing. Meanwhile, nothing moves forward. One of the most valuable lessons that I've learned both personally and throughout coaching is this: progress creates results. Perfection creates pressure. I want you to think about it. How many things in your life would improve if you simply allowed yourself to make progress instead of demanding perfection? Your health, your relationships, your goals, your business, even your stress levels. Inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program, we work on helping you move forward with confidence rather than waiting until everything feels perfect. Because the people who create meaningful change in their lives aren't usually the people with the perfect plan. They're the people who consistently take action. They learn, they adjust, and they keep moving forward. And over time, those small actions create remarkable results. Imagine how much lighter your life could feel if you gave yourself permission to be excellent without needing to be perfect. That's the kind of transformation that we're working toward. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you reduce overwhelm, make better decisions, build confidence, and achieve your goals. And right now, the investment to start reinventing your future is $297 a month, something that you'd like support with. Simply email me at info@financialadventure.com. Let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. One of the biggest breakthroughs that many of my clients experience is realizing that they don't need to do everything perfectly to create an extraordinary life. If you're ready to trade perfection for progress and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.